Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Device Wardana and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to explain the civil law system in Egypt, its background structure and how to making it work, its regulation private relationship in the country, and let's get it. Okay, number one, historical background of Egypt civil law. Egypt has one of the most influential legal systems in the Middle East. Modern Egypt civil law was heavily inspired by the French Napoleonic Code, but it also integrates Islamic law principles, example in areas such as family law integrate. The current Egypt Civil Code was derived by the famous Egypt journalist of Al-Razik al-Sanhari and came into force in 1979. Because of its strong structure, this later inspired many other Arabian countries such as Libya, Algeria, Iraq, and Syria. And number two, source of civil law in Egypt. Civil law is a based of seven sources. Number one, legislation. The Egyptian Civil Code is the main reference is the civil matters like contract, obligation, and property rights. Number two, Islamic Sharia. Sharia is applied into legislation expressed on a character matter, especially in family and personal status issues. Number three, custom and traditional. Customs are considered valid scores and law is the don't conflict in legislation. Number four, judicial precedents. Although no binding like in common law system, current six lines guide legal interpretation. Number five, salary wings. Legal salary explains Sanhari play a major role in aspecting legal understanding. Okay, this is number three, main areas of Egypt civil law. The civil codes consists several major five. Is the number one, love is obligation, is the institutional contractors and duty to companies, someone to firm, contract in activities, resource contracts at a lawful object, and condition similar to many civil law systems. Number two, property law is the regulation of ownership, right, and land use, transfer of property, and protect against unlawful interference. The system regulation both public and private property. Number three, personal status law and the other part of the civil law. Personal status in many based on Islamic Sharia. It's a cover marriage, divorce, child count, and integrate. Number four, commercial and business relationship. Each have the commercial law, but many basic contract and liability principles come from the civil code. Okay, this is number four. How the civil law system work in practice. Egypt follow a civil law system, meaning judge really primarily on jurisprudence rather than previous contentious civil disputes of the handled might be ordinary counts, which include part of the first interest, part of appeal, and the course of assistance. In civil cases, judges play active role in expense of ensuring fair completion in the law. Many disputes are also reconstruct. Mediation is arbitration, especially in commercial matters. And the last, number five, conciliation. In the Central Egypt, civil law is unequal on the French style civil code and Islamic legal tradition. It's a cover areas in stocks and contracts, property, family law, and obligation, and it plays a crucial role in organizing social and economic life in the country. Okay, so that is the civil law system in X. I hope this was answerful. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video next.